Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set clock Subaru Forester full guide. Start by turning the vehicle to accessory mode so the electrical systems are active. Press the clock or settings button once to access time adjustment. Use the tune knob or arrow buttons to change hours first and then minutes. Double-check the AM or PM indicator. Press the same button to save and exit once the time matches your watch. In this video, I will explain how to set clock Subaru Forester full guide. With the display active, press the clock or setup control to enter edit mode immediately. Adjust the hour first by turning the tune knob or pressing the right and left arrows until the correct hour appears. Then switch to minutes and repeat the process to set the exact minute value. Verify AM or PM and press the button again to store the new time safely. In this video, I will explain how to set clock Subaru Forester full guide. Quick recommendation: if you find small conveniences handy, the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum handles dust so you can focus on simple car tasks. It offers voice control and smart mapping, which feels as effortless as setting your clock. If you want one, check the description for the link and deals. If this helped, subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to set clock Subaru Forester full guide. If the controls seem unresponsive, try turning the ignition off then back to accessory to reset the system. Confirm you are pressing the correct clock or setup button and not a radio preset. If the display is too dim, adjust the dash dimmer before troubleshooting further. For persistent issues, consider visiting a technician to inspect fuses or software updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.